This is an introduction to the Universal Claim Form, the CMS 1500. This is a generic introduction to the form itself, talking about the rules that we're using to fill out the form. Each insurance carrier or insurance company will have specific requirements that you must use when you fill out the form for their particular company. We'll be looking at the generic rules for the form and its completion. The first thing we're going to talk about is OCR format. This is optical character recognition. This is a scanned form, so when it is scanned, anything outside of the boxes or the red lines is not copied. So, when you enter in your data, the first thing you must do is all capitals. Any names, addresses, and so forth must be in capital letters. The second thing is there is no punctuation. No commas, no periods, no dashes, no slashes in the date. No punctuation. There are only two exceptions to the no punctuation rule. The first is in the zip code. When you include the 4-digit extension after the zip code, you may indicate this by a dash after the 5th digit in the zip code. The second exception is in a hyphenated name. If you have a hyphenated name, you may leave the hyphen in to indicate that. Otherwise, there is no punctuation on the form. The next rule is regarding date format. On the CMS 1500, you must use the 8-digit date format. 2 for the month, 2 for the day, and 4 for the year. Your textbook may say that you can use the 6-digit format. Please don't. You must use the 8-digit format. You'll notice on the form there are also boxes to indicate yes or no. When you put an X in these boxes, you must color within the lines. Your X needs to stay within the box and not go outside of the box. As I said earlier, this is a scan form and it must be within the boundaries of the box. The other thing is you must use blue or black ink on the form. And since it is a scannable form, no whiteout or correction tape is to be used on the form. These are the initial rules for the CMS 1500.